Of you class 10th students, today we have to study about the respiration in animals. So I request you, all of you, please stay at home and stay safe, because our nature is just opposite to us. So that you please be aware, stay safe, and stay home and stay safe. Now let's see our respiration in animals. Today's class will is respiration in animals. In previous class we had already discussed about the different respiratory systems in plants. Now in this class we have to study about the respiration in animals. Different animals have different modes of respiration. For example, in simple unicellular animals like amoeba, respiration takes place by the simple diffusion of gases through the cell membrane. Most of the animals have, however, specific organs for respiration. The animals like earthworms, which live in the soil, use their skin to absorb oxygen from air and remove carbon dioxide. As usual, the aquatic animals like fish, prawns, and mussels, mussels have gills as the respiratory organs, which eject oxygen dissolved in water and take away carbon dioxide from the body. In the insects like grasshopper, cockroach, housefly, and a mosquito, the tiny holes called spiracles on their body and their tubes called trachea are respiratory organs. So, respiratory organs of the land animals such as man, birds, lizard, dog, and frog, etc., are the lungs. Once the air enters the skin or lungs, blood absorbs the oxygen and transports it to various tissues of the animal. Blood also picks up carbon dioxide from the tissues and brings it back to the skin or lungs for throwing it out into the air. Please note that all the respiratory organs, whether skin, gills, trachea, or lungs, have three common features, so that we have a look on respiratory organs. Different animals have different respiratory organs. In simple unicellular organisms, like amoeba, respiration takes place through the plasma membrane. Or you can say cell membrane also, plasma or cell. Most of the animals have specific organs for respiration. for respiration. Earthworm, which lives in the soil, exchange their gases through skins. The aquatic animals fish, mussels have respiratory organs that is called the especially gills. Animals have gills for the respiration of fish, prawns, mussels, etc. In insect like grasshoppers, cockroach, horsefly, and mosquito have tiny holes in their body. These holes are called spiracles. The oxygen is inhaled and exhaled through the spiracles in the insects. In animals, all the respiratory organs three common features. Skin, gills, trachea or lungs. All the respiratory organs have a large surface area. Surface area to get enough oxygen. All the respiratory organs have thin walls. For easy diffusion, and inhalation of and exchange of respiratory gases. उसके बाद है all the respiratory organs like skin, gills, skins, gills, and lungs have a rich blood supply for transporting respiratory gases. In the tracheal system of respiration. It reaches the cells directly. Directly. The animals which live in water use oxygen of dissolving water. Dissolving water. To carry out respiration. चलिए कल बेटा हम लोग रिस्पायरेशन इन अमीबा चलेंगे, इसको थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिएगा और कुछ फिगर्स हैं जो बुक से संपर्क करके आप बना सकते हैं और आपको जो क्वेश्चंस हो वो आप इजीली पूछिए। मैं आपको ये बताऊं कि WHO ने अभी भी बताया है कि एयरबॉर्न डिजीज़ है, ये एयर में भी फैलता है ये, इसलिए सावधानी ये बरतना है कि जब आप अकेले रहें तभी आप मास्क न लगाएं, नहीं अगर भीड़ में रहें या कहीं और जगह जाएं तो मास्क आवश्यक है और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग। इसलिए आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज़ मेंटेन द सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग एंड बी केयरफुल। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।